You can view and manage your cash flow in the My Money tab. From here, click on Cash Flow. The Cash Flow tool uses your transactions to predict your expenses and incomes on any given day in the past, present, or future. Click on Get Started to begin adding cash events. The platform will suggest any transactions that it believes to be recurring bills or income. Click the check mark to add a cash event and then choose a start date from the calendar. Use the Repeats option to show how often this event should occur and add an end date to this event if necessary. Click Save to save these changes. You can add in as many recurring expenses and incomes as you'd like to, and when you have finished making changes to your cash events, they will display on a graph where you can click on any day to see your projected income or expenses as of that day. Use the arrows at the top to move between date ranges or select between a chart or calendar view of your projected cash flows. Use the Filter Accounts option to include or exclude information from any of your aggregated accounts. Click on Add an Event in the corner to add new cash events at any time, or click on any cash events to make changes to it, such as editing, deleting, or undoing Mark as Paid. Events will automatically be marked as paid when the date passes and the transaction comes through, but you can do this manually as well. The system will encourage you to mark that cash flow event page and link it to a transaction.